Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you to a wonderful video from Madian Hotel, Madian Sawat. Okay, it's so beautiful, cloudy. The rain has just stopped and I'm enjoying the weather and making these videos for you. Well guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to deal with IELTS listening part 3. I'm not going to tell you about multiple choice questions and all that, but the main thing is type of audios, type of conversations that we have in IELTS listening. I'm going to tell you about that, and then I'll give you some recommendations that if you're looking for if you want to improve your understanding of listening part 3, what sort of audios you need to listen to, and these audios will improve your understanding. Well guys, as far as IELTS listening part 3 is concerned, it is always educational. In part 3, when they give you multiple choice questions, mostly there is one tutor. Along with the tutor, there are two students, and these students and tutor, they are discussing something like their presentation. They're discussing their last project, they are discussing their dissertation, they are discussing their education, they are discussing their subjects, and they're discussing their problems in their education. As you know, the majority of students who take IELTS test, they plan to study abroad. So that is why part 3 of IELTS listening and part 4, they are mostly educational. Now, the talk is going to be related to your studies. In part 3, they always talk about studies. For example, it can be a course you are planning to take in the university, or the course you have just attended. They will discuss your difficulties and all that, okay? So there, it's a good idea to listen to such type of conversations. Now, the question is, where can you come across such type of conversations? First of all, IELTS listening part 3, Cambridge IELTS books 1 to 17. Without any questions, without going through the book, just try to copy all these audios in your mobile. Listening test 1 part 3, listening test 2 part 3, listening test 3 part 3, listening test 4 part 3, and listen to them, because all these audios will give you a very clear understanding that what is it that may be discussed which is related to education. What are the common problems? What are the stuff they discuss? So if you listen to all these audios time and again, and you know, then the words like dissertation, final project, okay, then they use the words like they sometimes use the words like educational words, okay? So you will get to know all these words in those audios. And along with that, you can go to YouTube, and there you can just search the topics that you find in your listening audio. Search those topics on YouTube and watch some videos where one tutor and two students, they are discussing their problems and they're having a chat on that. So once you do this, you will start to understand the nature of the audio in part 3, and once you do that, after that things are going to be easier for you. Now, you know what happens? Many students find IELTS listening part 3 challenging. Why do they find it challenging? Number one, they are not familiar with such type of discussions, and in these discussions, the vocabulary that they use, many students are not familiar with such type of words. And as most of the students who take IELTS test, they have only completed their part +2 or intermediate, and they don't know anything about university lifestyle, university education, university projects, presentations, and all that. So all these things make the students confused, and as a result, they get poor marks in IELTS listening part 3. Now, once you're going to follow my instructions, once you're going to follow all these instructions, IELTS listening part 3 will not be difficult for you at all. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.